Musa Mseleku is keeping begging Mangwabe. It's not about he is in love with Mangwabe. He wants his kids to stay. He knows that when Mangwabe is leaving the marriage to divorce him, Mangwabe can live with her kids. So Musa Mseleku, he is pretending like he is in love with Mangwabe. Mangwabe is not stupid. Sometimes we can judge Mangwabe why Mangwabe is in such a character. She doesn't love her husband. Mangwabe knows Musa Mseleku very well that he doesn't want to lose his kids. If Mangwabe was in same situation with Makumalo, I think Mangwabe was already divorcing Musa Mseleku. But Musa Mseleku did it. That's why Musa Mseleku forced to buy houses for them. Musa Mseleku buy houses for Mayeni and Mangwabe. He knows that when he buy houses for them, he have got power. They can't leave the marriage. Musa Mseleku can force himself to visit Mangwabe. He says he want to see his kids. It's his house. He have got power. But when it comes to Makumalo, Musa Mseleku spent 5 months without visiting Makumalo. He knows that he have nothing to lose on Makumalo. But when it comes to Mangwabe, Mangwabe can lose his kids. So Musa Mseleku knows the game, and Mangwabe knows how to play a game again.